Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming to you every day for 25 days, finishing up on Christmas Day for the 2025 Christmas Spectacular. Every day, 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as most of you are not subscribed, and click the bell notification whenever I go live. All right, let's make ourselves a fireball pumpkin pie for your holiday festivities. All right, first thing we're going to need to do is I have a frozen 9-inch deep dish pie crust baking in the oven at approximately 400 degrees. We're going to let that go for 10 minutes. In the meantime, we're going to make our filling, which will involve a 15-ounce can of pumpkin pie filling, 9 ounces of evaporated milk, 3/4 of a cup of white sugar, 3 ounces of cinnamon whiskey. In this case, I used Fireball. 2 large eggs that were lightly beaten, a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of ground ginger, a half a teaspoon of ground cloves, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now we're just adding in, again, that Fireball cinnamon whiskey. That's the most common one, but if you want to use another variety, Jim Beam, Jack Daniels, whatever, feel free to do so. And then just pop the mixing attachment to your mixer and go on about a medium speed and give this about 60, 90 seconds to get all mixed up. Looking for something like that. Like I said, about 60 to 90 seconds. And let's get ready to make our pie. All right, now we have our pie crust nicely pre-baked. And then we're going to want to jack the heat up to 425 degrees. And then we want to bake this at that temperature for about 15 minutes. Then we want to reduce the temperature in the oven to 350 degrees and then bake for 40 to 45 minutes. Testing at the 40-minute mark, just put the knife in, pull it out. If the knife's clean, your pie is done. Then we just want to let it cool down to room temperature before serving. All right, after about 40 minutes or so, our pie is done. And it's actually delicious. So, that is cinnamon fireball pumpkin pie. Done.